When you are in need of a Chicago auto body shop, our team here at Chicago Autohaus understands how difficult it can be to make a decision. After all, your car or truck is most likely your second largest asset. So allowing any random body shop to perform the repairs should not be an option. There are close to 100 collision repair shops in Chicago alone, hence why our team here at Chicago Autohaus strives to go above and beyond to stand out from the rest. The Chicago Autohaus team has continually set the bar and broken local auto industry records, earning us the honor of being the #1 State Farm approved body shop in Chicago. Automotive collision repair in Chicago is actually not all we do though. We also offer a complete range of auto body services from touch-up paint to vehicle customization. Our vehicle customization services in Chicago include custom auto upholstery, vehicle blackout services, window tints, custom paint work, and much more. This also includes Chicago auto rim repair, rim straightening, and automotive rim painting to ensure your wheels are looking great, and also rolling straight. If you have a cracked or broken windshield that needs to be replaced, we also offer Chicago auto glass replacement services. The technicians at our Chicago auto body shops are I-CAR trained and certified by the National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence. This ensures that our team members are well versed in all of the latest and most up-to-date auto body repair and auto paint refinishing methods and techniques. If you have been involved in an accident or are looking for a qualified auto body shop in Chicago to handle your vehicle customization needs, we are more than happy to assist. We offer both virtual estimates and in-person appointments to make the estimate process as easy and convenient as possible. If you're in need of a tow, Chicago Autohaus offers free vehicle towing to the shop to make your repair process much easier. To set up an appointment, just give us a call today. 312-835-9747. We are located at 2321 North Wolcott Avenue, Chicago, Illinois, 60614. You can also visit us online at chicagoautohaus.com for more information. Again, that phone number is 312-835-9747.